Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we have seen how to find a missing element where we have been given total average. In this video, we are going to see how to find total average where we have been given cluster of numbers. Students usually takes 2 to 3 minutes to solve this type of problems. I will tell you such technique, rather I will teach you such technique such that you will be able to solve this type of problems within 5 to 10 seconds and without touching pen, just like this. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, students. So in the question, it is given that find the total average of these elements. So what we do, 5 plus 9, how much? 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. Okay. So my summation is 24. How many numbers are there? Sir, 4 numbers are there. So 24 by 4 is my 6. That means my total average is 6. Great. Then what's the problem? Sir, no. Till now there is nothing happening. Okay. Sir, if the numbers are there like 6, 6, 6, 6, tell me what is the average? Right. The average is 6. Correct. Okay. This is one also right. Students, in the last video we have seen if you want to find missing element, we were doing that finding the deviation from the total average to our constituent element. So what we are doing from 87, how far this 81, from 87, how far is 93, and so on. And we are adding all the deviations and finding it whether it is 0. If it is not 0, then we are doing such calculation that is if whether we can do addition or subtraction to make it 0. Correct. So let's apply this technique on my this. Okay. So tell me guys, if my 6 is my average, then how far this 6 is from my 5? Minus 1. How far this 6 is from my 9? Minus 3. And from 4, it is minus 2. And for, sorry guys, the mistake is done by me is 3. Okay, plus 3 is there. And from 6, it is 0. Okay. Adding them, what is my total deviation? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and 3 minus 3, 0. Okay. That means my total deviation is 0. Right. But what if, student, I don't know the average? Okay. अगर मुझे एवरेज पता नहीं रहता तो मैं क्या करता उस टाइम? Let's take a scenario. You and your friends planning for a birthday party. Okay. And 1 minute. Okay. So what was I saying? Okay. You and your friends are planning for a birthday party and you are calculating how much money will be required to do a party. Okay. So tell me guys, just imagine you are doing that. We will assume the value. Okay. This much money will be required. थोड़ा कम ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. Okay. We do not have a particular budget always. Okay. Like let's say केक को इतना लगेगा राउंड ऑफ करके 300 या 400. ओके. देन वेफर्स को इतना लगेगा. देन कुछ डिनर वगैरह करना है तो उसको अराउंड ऑफ कुछ 3 to 4,000 लगेगा. ओके. वी ऑलवेज अज्यूम द वैल्यूज एंड द टोटल लेट्स से 7,000 लगेगा बर्थडे पार्टी को, कम ज्यादा करके. ओके. अगर ज्यादा हो गया तो अपन अपना कंट्री वो बढ़ा देंगे और वैल्यू ये कर लेंगे. अगर कम रहेगा तो फिर से वो जो अपना टोटल जो कैलकुलेट किया है 7,000 जो हमें जमा किया है वो सब में बांट देंगे कि बाबा इतना ही खर्चा हुआ था, हो गया। दैट मीन वी अज्यूम द वैल्यूज एंड कम ज्यादा रहेगा तो उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट और ऐड कर देंगे। सिमिलरली नाउ लुक एट द स्क्रीन, if I have been given these values and if I assume my total average as 8, okay, just assume 8 करो, 9 करो, 7 करो, but क्या रहना चाहिए मालूम क्या, 5 to 9, not 5 to 9, my this 4 to 9, okay, this is my cluster, this is my range, minimum and maximum, उसके बीच में से कोई तो एक वैल्यू कंसीडर करते हैं। So I am assuming that I am having my total average as 8, okay students. Now if this is a condition, okay, so tab not, so this how far this 5 from it, sir, -3 from 9, sir, it is +1, sir, this is 4, this is -4, sir, this 6 from this 6 it is -2, sir, what is my total deviation, -3 plus 1 -2, -2 and -2 is -4 and -4 and -4 is my -8, okay guys, so this is my total deviation। अगर मेरा ये जो अज्यूम जो एवरेज है अगर वो सही रहता, if it was correctly assumed, that is the correct value, then it would have been 0, okay, but it is now -8, okay, this is my total deviation। now to make it correct, what I have to do, what we have done in birthday party, okay, अगर पैसे अगर ज्यादा बढ़ गए तो जो अगर समझो 2000 रुपये ज्यादा, सॉरी, मेरा कम में काम हो गया और 2000 मेरे बच गए और हम 4 लोग हैं, तो व्हाट विल डू, आई विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट, एवरेज करने का, 2000 का 4 से एवरेज करने का, सो ईच वन विल गेट 500 रुपीज। सो सिमिलरली दिस इज माय टोटल डिविएशन, देन my average deviation will be, average deviation will be my total deviation divided by number of numbers, correct? How many numbers are there, sir? 4 numbers are there, that means -8 divided by 4 is nothing but my -2, okay, that means now my assumed average will be, that means my correct average will be my assumed average plus my average deviation, okay, sir, my assumed average was 8 and my average deviation was -2, मिल गया आंसर। now you will see, sir, you only took 5 to 6 minutes to solve this problem and you said I will be able to solve in the 5 to 10 seconds just like this. Beta, when question is like this, like small values, you can solve it just like 5 plus 9 plus 4 plus 6, okay, verbally. But when question is something like this, 324, then 456, 5 7 9 8 4, now what you will do, एडिशन करते करते आपका टाइम चला जाएगा, ओके, इंस्टेड ऑफ व्हाट यू विल डू, अज्यूम करने का, व्हाट आई विल अज्यूम, आई विल अज्यूम माय 500 इज माय एवरेज, ओके, सो अगर मेरा 500 ये है तो व्हाट विल क्या डिफरेंस कितना रहेगा, मतलब डिविएशन 500 और 324 का डिविएशन रहेगा मेरा समथिंग अराउंड 164, okay, no, 24 and this 6, 176, okay, and my 456 है तो it it will be around 444. अगर 87 है तो 87, हाँ गाइज मैं माइनस रखने का, माइनस plus 87, and this 984, that means I am having 484 extra plus 484. Okay, now adding all the deviation. Okay, so what is the addition? Minus 176 minus 44, so this goes to this side, and 180 plus 20, 180 plus 40 is our 220, minus 220 and minus 220 and minus plus 484, and this will be 264, and my 264 plus 87 is something around my, what we say, something around 264 and 87 will be 351. Okay, that means this is my total deviation. I have to divide it by my, how much, total number of numbers. So my total number of numbers is 4. So 351 divided by 4 is 87.75. That means my perfect, that means correct average value is 500 plus 87.75. 57.75. Correct. So this is how we can solve problems like this. Okay, let's say 1001 एक value है, 1002 and 1004 is there, 1009, and now you find what is the average. I hope you are solving the same way. If you are solving the same way, definitely you will get answer. Yes, you are right. We are assuming what? Let's assume my 1004 is my average value. So 4 और 1 का difference है हमारा -3, और 2 का difference है -2, 4 से है 0 और 9 से है +5. Okay, so my -3 and -2 is -5, and this +5 is -5 plus 5 equal to my 0. That means I have assumed a correct value. Okay, चलो आपको और एक असाइनमेंट प्रॉब्लम देता हूँ. Let's say 10016 कुछ ज्यादा बड़ा नंबर हो गया, थोड़ा तरस खाता हूँ आपको. 1016 100, let's say 9, and let's say 10024 1004. Okay, find the total average and see the student, when you will get benefited when you are able to find the answer verbally. Okay, if you are good at addition and subtraction, then definitely this trick is for you, for without touching pen wala trick. Okay, so I hope you understood, and give me what is the answer in my comment section. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.